Hello, Sim Tech Post new product in from Ringke, and this is a VIP package, and you're amazing, all that kind of stuff in the front. Special gift from us to you. So what phone is it for? Let's have a look. I'm going to take off the package sticker here, open up, and as always with Ringke, they do give you excellent presentation. So inside we've got a card, and of course a nice handwritten note, which is really cool, and an array of products, and they're for the iPhone 14 Pro, which we have here, and we've got some tempered glass as well, which is excellent and something that we actually need. So that's pretty much it on the box. So we've got our tempered glass, which we'll look at after the cases. We have got the Fusion iPhone 14 Plus Pro Matte Clear Eco package. So it's got a nice flexible edge and hard back. This one is the Onyx iPhone 14 Pro Black Eco package again. And that's what that looks like there. Pretty nice bit of silver effect on the key there. On these keys. This one is the Case Onyx Black Eco package again. So this has got soft edges. Again, you've got your hard back, and of course you can peel off that stuff there, which is always comes with Ringke stuff. And this is the Fusion Bumper Clear Eco package again. So that's what that case looks like. So we've got a Fusion and a Fusion Bumper. So you can see there is a difference between the two there, as these bumpers on the edge. So let's take a closer look at these cases and see what they look like. Okay, so we're going to start with this guy here, the Pro Case Fusion, which has got this kind of smoked back. You can see the soft edges, your buttons. You have a lanyard strap there, and you've got the Ringke branding here, and of course the lanyard strap again. So I'm just going to zoom in a bit more so you can see Ringke. You can see your buttons there, and cutouts are all around. This is on the right, and that's the bottom part. So I'll grab our iPhone. And pop it in. So this will allow you to see your colours, as you can see nice and clearly there. I'm going to take out my phone magnet that holds my phone in my car. And that's what's going to look like from the back there, as you can see. So up close to the cameras, you can see that you're protected there. Again, you can just see the colour of the device through the phone, your silence key, your volume lockers. So we'll unlock. And of course you can see the lip going around the full front of the device. This side you've got your volume lockers and your silence key here, your SIM tray, which is fine where it is, and all the rest of the buttons here. So all work fine. Volume toggles up on top there, no problem at all. And let's check for wireless charging. And there we go, charging up on top, no problem there. And that's very nice, and it's got nice edges and feels good in the hand. Extra grip as well, has to be said. And basically that's pretty much it for that one. So we're going to move on to this one next. Next is the Onyx Pro Case, and this is heavy duty streamlined design. Again, you've got the duo lanyard straps there with the branding on the side. Close up again, you can see you've got the buttons there, both sides. all parts down on the bottom, and that's what it looks like from around there. And on the inside, should you be wondering. So again, it's slim, lightweight TPU, which gives you protection as well, and looks really cool. So this one here is different. As you see, it's going to cover your device. Well, the phone's colour anyway. You can see the camera cut out up here on top, so let's have a little closer look at that. That's what you're going to get there. Buttons on the side, ports on the bottom, and all that kind of stuff there. So power buttons work, volume toggles, all work fine there. Nice and clicky and tactile. Easy access to your switch here for your silent. So let's check out the wireless charging on this one. And again, no problem there up on top, as you can see. So that's fine. So this is looking to be one of the favourites at the moment because it's got a really nice grip on the back. It's thinner. It's not as thick as the R box that we have and other cases that we have here. Others that are coming, but it's got a nice feel to it as well. Grips on the edges too, just so you can see. That's what it looks like there. And pretty good. So let's move on to the Fusion case next. So the Fusion offers kind of both. You've got your rubberized edges here and clear. So if you mix and match two of them, for example, it gives you kind of both, which is really nice. You've got the FX on the side here. You've got your buttons here on the side. Again, double lanyards. Nice corners there too. And it's tailor-made to fit the case, like all cases, and it supports wireless charging. And it's a hybrid case, if you will. So let's pop in the phone, and that's what it's going to look like there. So you can see your device. The edges are all blacked with these little legs coming in, which is nice. Higher buttons with angles, which is cool because it makes it easier to navigate. So we'll give you a look there on the bottom of the part as well. And over here on the side you've got FX here. And up on top, so your camera lens will look like that. And works really well, so pretty nice indeed. So again, we will move up. Just check that my Revolut card likes to keep coming up on this for some strange reason. So I'm just going to close everything. So you've got your button here, which works, as you can see, with unlock and check the keys, as you can see. And these are better because they're angled, as you can see there, which is pretty cool. So let's check this one for wireless charging. And make sure my charger is actually on. And again, no problem there at all. So that's that out of the way. So this is also a nice case as well. I like the idea of the see-through part, plus the nice heavy protection on the outside. And it's got really extra additional grip, as you can see there. This piece in the middle here is pretty nice. It gives you the grip. And again, you can put them face down. So if we look down this way, all the cases from Ringke does allow you to do that, just to give you a better idea of what to expect. So that's that one done. So next up is the Fusion bumper case. So we'll stick this one on like we do with the rest. And you can see there, as pointed out earlier on, we're just going to give you a closer look there. You can see the difference between the edges. The cases are basically identical, but this one's a little bit smoked one. This has got the extra edges. You can see there on the bottom, compared to this one, which is just a rounded case. this one does have the extra protection on the corners, which is probably going to be better for you in the long run, so that's pretty nice. So take a look at the keys here. You can see they're nice and raised. Down the bottom, and again you have your lanyard straps both sides. If you have them, you can still see the colour of your device, and that's the camera area there. So take a look down here. Again, you can see you can put your device face down, and of course this way as well. And let's check those keys now. All that's working fine. And let's check the volume. Volume rocker works fine there as well, as you can see, up and down. We'll just move that back. And of course we'll check for wireless charging. Make sure we're on the back. And there we go, it's charging up on top, so that's fine. So that's really about it. So again, this is another nice case. And the thing is, at Ringke, they do offer something for everyone. Some people like thin cases, some people are just like a standard case. Don't want to go all extravagant, but these mix and match kind of everything together, which you can see there, which is really nice. And that's what you're going to get. That's a couple of the cases from their range. So do stay tuned for more from Ringke. We're going to do that screen protector separately, and we'll have a full video on that and show you what that one looks like when done. And that's it for now, but we'll leave a link below to where you can pick these cases up and see for yourself the full range that they have there, because they've got quite a few cases, which is really cool. And that's about it. So it's all up to you at the end of the day, what you want to pick, what you want. But being so expensive, you're better off getting the case with more protection. So with the bumpers in the corner would be a good place to start. Protection on the front, and then of course with your screen protector. But all the buttons all work well, wireless charging works well, and your camera hump is protected as well, which is important. Because I've seen, and it's happened to myself, my 13 Pro, that two of my lenses cracked. Don't know how, the case is on them, but you're better off just getting them anyway and getting protection. And Ringke also does sell protective covers for these as well, that match your phone, which are really cool. You can check them out below in the link, and that's it for now. So thanks for watching, we'll see you in the next video, and again thanks to Ringke for sending these over to check out. So that's it for now, we'll talk to you then.